listen, stop fucking interrupting me.
Incident overview date unknown. Confirm via public records request. Location US. Entertainment district venue. Exact city and state pending. Event trespass and disorderly conduct. Arrest of a British national footage duration, approx 12 minutes. Charges criminal trespass, disorderly conduct.
So they were asked to leave about 9:30, and I came back, and he was the one that was originally asked to leave for being intoxicated and aggressive with other guests. And now they just keep going to every door and harassing all my security guards to get let back in.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
Sorry
All
about
right.
this.
No, you're fine. Here's the deal. You cannot come back here. Do you understand?
I don't want to go in. I don't want to go in.
Okay, so leave the property.
Yeah, no. So I'm gonna.
Go. You're fucking leaving. You're leaving now.
Right.
Go. Haley.
No, I want to
You are leaving.
I'm ignoring
Let's
you.
go.
I would like to make a formal complaint
About what?
Haley.
about the establishment.
Right. That's not what we do. Pick up your stuff and let's go.
I can't make a formal complaint.
No, let's go.
Why?
Because they do not want you here. You keep coming
don't
back
want
and
us
keep
here.
harassing the staff.
You're leaving.
Okay, no, wait, hold on. You go away. You're pissing me off.
If we get caught about you, you gotta go to jail. Haley.
No. Everyone, shut up. I want to ask a question.
Excuse me. First off, no, that's rude.
Haley.
You're gonna act like a child. You're gonna get treated like a child. They're telling you to go.
No, I am not in their establishment, so they.
You're under their convergence, okay?
Haley!
Oh, let's go.
Sawyer, we're going home.
Fuck off! I'm asking a question.
You're walking away. You're going home.
I want to ask a question.
You're going home.
87, come on.
Haley.
Signal 14, this is the individual from the 34 at Bull and Whistle.
I want to find out.
I suggest you listen to him and you go home for the night.
My best friend is a cop. Do you want to fucking...
I don't care what you're saying. I want to know
away.
Wait,
Haley.
no, fine.
Walk away.
Fuck off.
Brian, you can take her things and you can
I
leave.
know, fuck off. I just want to ask you a question. I will leave if you tell me to leave. That's fine. What I want to ask is, why can I not ask questions about the establishment?
You said you just wanted to file a formal complaint.
I
We don't
want
do that.
No,
Listen. I've been as nice as possible.
please.
You're a trespass from here. You're a
No.
trespass from Bull and Whistle.
No,
If
no,
we
no,
get
no, no,
another
no.
call, listen. Stop fucking interrupting me.
I'm not
All right?
interrupting you.
Yes, you are.
Go on.
If we get called about you one more time, I will take you to jail
Okay,
for public
yeah.
nuisance. Do you understand?
I understand.
Stop trying to yell. Do what you gotta do. Go home.
Can I talk? Can I talk?
We're done talking.
No.
We're done talking.
We
Go
are done.
home.
You gotta go home.
No, I'm allowed
We're
to.
going home.
If I get a call about you again for any reason,
Haley Sawyer!
I'll take you to jail.
Fucking go!
No.
All your phone!
Why?
Going
Oh,
home!
he's making this so much worse.
No, actually you are. So let's go. Go with him and go home.
I want to know. I was inside the establishment and I was fine. I
They
was
can
told.
change their mind. I
No,
told you
I-
earlier. If they don't want you there, you have to
I
leave.
don't want to go inside the establishment.
That doesn't matter. You can't stay here.
I know.
You can't harass
I don't
the
want to
staff.
go inside the establishment.
And I'm telling you, you can't stay here.
I'm
You
not.
can't- I have been patient. Do not yell over me.
You haven't.
I have
You
actually.
haven't listened to what I'm actually trying to say. I'm trying to backtrack to understand the reasoning behind the original dispute.
And
So can I go back to negotiate the understanding so that this doesn't happen again?
No, they don't
So
want
you're
you here.
telling me the reasoning behind the understanding of the reasoning that I can't go back in the establishment cannot be understood. So I
No.
cannot understand why I cannot do this again.
I have told you
That's
already.
not good policing.
I have told
I
you
need to
already.
know the policing reason as to why I
Okay,
cannot.
if they have the right to say they don't
I
want you
understand
here
that.
anymore.
If
That's
that
it.
leaves
That's
me
it. That's it.
on public ground.
That's it.
That leaves me on public ground.
Okay.
So I can stand here and
Then you're in the roadway.
yeah, that's fine.
No, it's not, because now you're obstructing traffic. Let's go.
What traffic?
Haley Sawyer!
Ryan, fuck off!
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, it's pissing me off. Look, if you want to arrest me, that's absolutely fine, and I won't resist. I just really, genuinely want to understand as to why. I want to know the reasoning. All
what's going on. You're really drunk and you're not making any sense.
I am making
I've already explained this to you. They don't want you here because you're really drunk and you're acting like an asshole to everyone.
Your phone. Call your mom.
I know.
My phone is dead. Give me your phone.
You need to go home. You need to go home.
Haley. Your father's my uncle.
Mr. Redden, Mr. Ashley.
Shut up. We are walking away right now. Haley. Haley. You are going to fucking jail if you don't walk with me right now.
Get out of the room.
Haley. I'm sorry. Haley! Lawyer!
No!
Haley! Haley! What happened?
Oh my God.
We're not.
Haley! Stop!
Do you understand?
Haley! Stop! Haley! Just let it go.
Back up! Back up!
Haley! Just let it happen.
No.
Don't resist.
Alright. Yeah, there you go. You're not hit me. You understand?
Hey, stop playing with me.
I get arrested. Alright. Let's go.
There's a cut. 87-1 in custody.
Taking her?
Yeah, I'll take her.
Alright.
Which one? I'm back there. One in custody, signal 34. Flat on your stance. This is not a game. Do you understand?
I understand. I've got nothing illegal on me. You can touch me any way you want.
I'm not touching you.
Not you. Anyone.
Well, actually, grab her passport from him because I need an ID for her.
Alright, you got her?
I'll go wherever you want.
Oh, you should have done whatever one we asked you to.
That's fine. I'll happily cooperate.
You had your chance. Here, I got you.
I don't know who handcuffs those is.
Yeah, they're gonna get disinfected anyway. It's fine.
There you go.
Ryan! Keep holding my stuff. It's fine.
She's my younger cousin.
Ryan! It's fine!
Let's go.
Okay. Ryan! Oh my God, it's fine.
No, it's not fine because guess what? Now you're going to jail.
That's fine. I have no reason.
Not right now. I'm not in the mood.
I have no reason to be going here, and therefore I don't mind.
Watch your head.
Well, very late for that, isn't it?
Don't care.
Can you move my hair off my lip?
No.
Why?
Don't got that car. Don't got that car.
No, you're good. Can you turn on my inner?
Yeah, you know.
I got it. It's fine. Yeah, you know I gotta hold it. I gotta hold it.
This one though.
Can you package that and weigh it up? Look at that put gloves on. You're scaring me.
No, this comes from the store.
It's a store?
Yeah.
He said it was his.
You said it was his. Okay.
It's up to you. You want me? Oh, I'll wait till she come back.
I can't get it out.
Say it again?
You got your clothes off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I sure can.
I got you, bro.
I just landed 5 hours ago. I'm just trying to get some details.
Go on Google, man. Relax. What do you want?
Pardon? Oh, I just trying to talk to my cousin.
Nah, that's not how this goes.
So, wait, I have a question then. Genuine question.
What?
What are my rights?
Huh?
What are
You don't
my
have one
rights? I
right now.
haven't
You're
been told
detained.
my rights.
You're detained right now.
No, but
They haven't been told. What are you talking about?
I haven't been told my rights.
You have the rights of every U.S. citizen. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I don't know that. I live in the UK, so I don't know what my rights
Okay.
are. Thank you.
So your rights as far as what? Right now you're being arrested for trespassing and disorderly conduct.
Okay, cool.
You're asked to leave multiple times. So your rights right now are to go to jail and bond out in the morning when you see a judge.
So I can't talk to anyone.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay, you're going to go to jail because you've been asked to leave already multiple times.
Okay, cool.
This is the second place you've been trespassed from tonight. You're already trespassed from the Bull and Whistle earlier tonight. Okay.
Yeah, because I couldn't find my bag. That's
Okay.
not a good reason.
No, it's not. When you're asked to leave, you leave. Okay. So now you're going to go to jail. You'll
Okay.
get booked in. You'll see a judge in the morning. They'll set your bond, and you'll be able to get out from there.
A judge
Yep. A judge, like a magistrate.
in the morning.
Yep.
So I have
You're
to
going to sit in
sleep.
jail all night.
Okay.
You'll see a judge in the
And
morning.
can I get my jacket when I'm in
Where's your
prison?
jacket?
I don't know. Something
No,
like
they'll probably give you a sweater or something.
that. Okay, cool.
Okay?
As long as I'm warm.
So just hang tight.
Cool.
What?
Can I ask my cousin for the password to her phone
Nope.
so I can call her mom?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
All right. I'm fine.
This isn't open, right? Sit down, sit down. I want to be.
You good? Need anything?
No, screen's on.
Oh, man, bro. I'm out on the streets, though.
No, it
Don't
won't.
fuck with me.
Okay, I'll just give it to him then. Let's be.
Criminal trespass. Legal basis. A private property owner may exclude any person at will by verbal notice alone. Refusal to depart after notice is received constitutes criminal trespass. Restatement. 2nd of Tort Sec. 158. Model Penal Code Sec. 221.2. The subject's desire to understand or contest the reason is legally irrelevant post-notice. Pattern of returns. Aggravated liability. Each return to the property after notice is a separate chargeable offense. Pattern of conduct across 2 venues the same evening is admissible under Free Rule 404B as evidence of willful and knowing intent. Williams v. 4. State 796 SW 2D 793. This pattern is an aggravating factor at bail and sentencing. Disorderly conduct. Statutory threshold officer must articulate specific conduct satisfying the statutory elements, alarm nuisance, or breach of peace to third parties. Model Penal Code Sec. 250.2. City of Houston v. Hill. 482 U.S. 4511987. Extended refusal to comply with repeated lawful orders satisfies most state formulations. Public ground argument. Partial defense misapplied standing on public property does not suspend disorderly conduct liability. It does not nullify a valid trespass notice issued for adjacent private property. Frisbee vs. Schultz 487 U.S. 4741988. Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 11968. Lesson: knowing one legal principle without its limitations is more dangerous than knowing nothing. Warrantless misdemeanor arrest. 4th Amendment. Probable cause for trespass and disorderly conduct was established before arrest. A warrantless arrest for a minor offense is constitutionally permissible. Atwater v. City of Lago, Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001. U.S. Constitution Amendment 4. Radio confirmation of custody triggers all post-arrest procedural obligations immediately. Vienna Convention Art. 36. Critical procedural omission subject disclosed British nationality. This triggers a treaty obligation, not a courtesy. Vienna Convention on Consular Relations Art. 36 963 US D. 77. Ratified by US 1969. Officers must advise a foreign national of the right to consular notification without delay. Failure to advise creates suppression exposure and potential diplomatic consequences. Medellin v. Texas 552 U.S. 491-2008. Miranda. Custodial interrogation. Threshold. Any substantive officer response to questions about charges constitutes custodial interrogation. Miranda v. Arizona. 384 U.S. 436-1966. Berkemer v. McCarty Veer 6 Ake, U.S. 4201984. Rhode Island v. Innis, 446 U.S. 2911980. Statements obtained post-arrest without Miranda advisement are subject to suppression motions. The officer's incomplete rights explanation heightens Fifth Amendment vulnerability. Key lessons. Law Enforcement 1. Vienna Convention Art. 36 advisement is mandatory for all foreign nationals upon arrest. 2. Miranda must precede any substantive discussion of charges in custody. San. Telling a subject their only right is to go to jail is legally false and creates liability. Departments and entertainment districts should maintain written foreign national arrest protocols. Key lessons. Citizens and foreign visitors 1. A trespass notice requires immediate departure. There is no right to negotiate on the scene. 2. Arguing while intoxicated on a public sidewalk does not create legal protection. 3. Foreign nationals in the U.S. have the right to contact their consulate upon arrest. 4. The correct moment to contest a trespass order is in court, not at the scene. Know your rights before an encounter. Invoking them correctly requires knowing them precisely.